Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Apple security cameras are probably one of the most sought-after home security solutions for those deeply integrated into the Apple ecosystem, offering a seamless blend of advanced technology, user-friendly design, and robust privacy features that work harmoniously with your existing Apple devices, ensuring your home is monitored with unparalleled ease and security. Number 5. Blink Mini Indoor Security Camera. Meet the Blink Mini, your compact solution for indoor home monitoring. It's designed to keep an eye on things inside your home, day or night. Experience your home in stunning 1080p HD clarity. You can see every detail, ensuring you never miss a thing, whether it's day or night. Stay connected with live view and two-way audio. See, hear, and speak to people and pets in your home directly from your smartphone, no matter where you are. Receive instant alerts on your smartphone whenever motion is detected. You can even customize detection zones to focus on what matters most to you. Enhance your smart home experience by connecting it with Alexa. Stream video, get alerts, and control features using just your voice for ultimate convenience. Getting started is incredibly easy. Simply plug it in, connect to your Wi-Fi, and follow the straightforward instructions in the Blink Home Monitor app. What we like. This camera offers a simple and effective way to monitor your home's interior. Its compact size makes it easy to place anywhere, and the two-way audio allows for real-time communication. If you're looking for an affordable and easy-to-set-up camera that works seamlessly with Alexa, this is a great choice for basic home monitoring. What people say. The camera has excellent night vision capabilities, providing clear footage even in complete darkness. Setup was incredibly straightforward, and the app interface is intuitive and easy to navigate. The motion detection is highly accurate, minimizing false alerts and only notifying when actual movement is detected. Number 4. EUFY Security Indoor Cam E220. Our advanced AI intelligently detects humans and pets. It ensures you only receive recordings of significant events, saving you time and storage. Experience crystal-clear visuals with up to 2K resolution. You can see every detail of what's happening inside your home, ensuring nothing is missed. Seamlessly connected with Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, or Amazon Alexa. Enjoy complete control over your home security system with simple voice commands. This camera automatically tracks movement once motion is detected. Its pan and tilt feature provides a full 360 degrees view, covering every corner of your room. Stay connected with built-in two-way audio. You can speak in real time to anyone who passes by, offering peace of mind wherever you are. What we like. Experience crystal-clear visuals with its 2K resolution and enjoy comprehensive room coverage thanks to its 360 degrees pan and tilt capabilities. The AI detection for pets and humans ensures you only get relevant alerts. If you need to keep a close eye on pets or want complete room visibility with smart detection, this camera is an excellent option. What people say. The camera has excellent night vision capabilities, providing clear footage even in complete darkness. Setup was incredibly straightforward, and the app interface is intuitive and easy to navigate. The motion detection is highly accurate, with customizable zones to reduce false alerts. Number 3. EUFY Security Indoor Cam E220 Cam Kit. Our advanced AI intelligently detects humans and pets. It ensures that recordings are only captured when something important happens, saving you time and storage. Experience crystal-clear visuals with up to 2K resolution. You can see every detail of what's happening inside your home, ensuring nothing is missed. Seamlessly connected with Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, or Amazon Alexa. Enjoy complete control over your home security using simple voice commands. Once motion is detected, it automatically tracks moving objects. The pan and tilt system provides a full 360 degrees view, covering every corner of your room. Stay connected with built-in two-way audio. You can speak in real time to anyone who is near the camera, offering peace of mind wherever you are. What we like. This kit provides dual cameras, each offering 2K clarity and 360 degrees coverage with pan and tilt. It's perfect for securing multiple areas of your home with detailed, wide-ranging surveillance. If you need to monitor two distinct spaces or want overlapping coverage for enhanced security, this two-camera bundle is ideal. What people say. The camera has a wide field of view, capturing a large area. Night vision is excellent, providing clear images even in low light. Easy to set up and integrate with other smart home devices. Number 2. EUFY Security Indoor Cam C120. Our advanced AI distinguishes between humans and pets. It intelligently records only when something important happens, ensuring you don't miss a thing. Experience every moment in stunning 2K clarity. You can see exactly what's happening inside your home with incredible detail. Communicate instantly with anyone near the camera. Its built-in audio allows for real-time conversations, no matter where you are. Easily connected to Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, or Amazon Alexa. Enjoy complete control over your home security with simple voice commands. Keep watch over any room, day or night. Its advanced night vision provides a clear view even in the lowest light conditions. What we like. This camera delivers sharp 2K visuals and smart AI for relevant recordings, plus audio alerts for immediate notification. It integrates smoothly with voice assistants for easy control. If you prioritize clear imagery and timely audio-based alerts for events happening inside your home, this model is a strong contender. What people say. The camera has excellent night vision. Setup was surprisingly easy and quick. The video quality is very clear, even in low light. Number 1. EUFY Security eufyCam C220 Cam Kit. Experience seamless integration with your Apple smart home devices. It's designed for users within the Apple ecosystem, offering a great no-subscription security camera solution. This outdoor camera is built to withstand any weather condition with its IP67 weatherproof rating. You can rely on its year-round performance for your home security. Enjoy all the features without any hidden costs. This security camera operates without requiring any monthly fees, keeping your expenses low. Benefit from an impressive 180-day battery life on a single charge. This offers extended, hassle-free security monitoring with minimal maintenance. Intelligent human detection accurately identifies people using body shape and face pattern recognition. This elevates your security measures for a robust home security system. Capture every detail with stunning 1080p HD resolution. Enjoy clear visuals day or night with its advanced night vision capabilities. Receive alerts only when motion is detected, reducing unnecessary notifications. This smart system ensures you're informed about what matters most. What we like. Designed for the outdoors, this camera boasts an IP67 weatherproof rating and an incredible 180-day battery life, all without any monthly fees. Its intelligent human detection ensures accurate alerts. If you're looking for a robust, low-maintenance, and cost-effective outdoor security solution that integrates with HomeKit, this is the one for you. What people say. The camera has excellent night vision capabilities, providing clear footage even in complete darkness. Setup was incredibly straightforward, and the app interface is intuitive and easy to navigate. The motion detection is highly accurate, minimizing false alerts and ensuring you only get notified for relevant events. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.